How good is it that we like finished our living room makeover and then I just pulled it all apart and now it looks like this.
Can I put my bags down? Yes. Don't have a living room.
That was one of the last videos we did. It was living room makeover, new couch, new coffee table, new rug, painted the walls, made it look good.
I was nesting. It was very important that we had a nice cozy living room for the new arrival to our family. It was
good
very important
for about 4 weeks until I gutted the joint.
Yeah. But this will be the spot for our new fireplace. Jonno has built an incredible wall, which is just missing some cladding.
No, well, more importantly, what did we kill? We killed that huge brick structure that took up like a quarter of the room. And the kitchen was just a big mass.
Heavy.
It was heavy. It was huge. It was unnecessary.
New custom TV cabinet, so Tassie oak like we've done in the laundry and in the open pantry in the kitchen. So Jonno will need to do his bit of magic in here to get our TV in here. So it'll be nice. So it'll be like recessed in. We've also got down here, I should mention, so we'll put like soundbar, there's a space in soundbar, and then we've got additional space here.
Bit of storage.
We are going to put a topper, and that topper is going to run into the kitchen. So it's going to be a really nice sort of seamless finish so that it all feels like one unit, like it was before, just not as heavy and not as high. By lowering it, making it a bit more slimline, it just makes everything feel far grander.
It's more open.
Yeah.
And light.
But to be continued. So Jonno, what's next? Are you going to clad?
Yeah, well, you need to tell me what we're painting it with, because you've been going back and forth.
I've been changing my mind.
You're like, once you work out if we're doing tiles, flat paint or textured paint, I'll work out what I'm going to put on it.
I'm prepared to go on the record and say we're going to be doing textured paint.
All right, I'll order it.
As to what colour?
No, I'm just going to order it.
No.
If I don't order it, then it doesn't get finished.
Okay, to be continued.
It's time to get this living room back. And to do that, we're going to have to make a little bit more mess. So we are 2680 by 1190. I'm cutting sheets. So the goal today is to sheet this entire wall. A little bit sweatier than I would have thought I was going to be after putting one sheet up at floor level. Floors are in. This is the new wall that Benny knocked up. Didn't film it, but it is basically to hold the range hood on the other side for the kitchen. So the kitchen is 90% there. We'll see that soon. Bench top's coming next week and then it'll be all finished up. Just have to do some trims on the windows, painting, tiling. But for now, got to get this wall sheeted. Just using 6mm cement sheet. And then the mission's going to be, I've got to go all the way up to the ceiling. And that's like 3.4 meters high. So it might be time to get the scaff set up again and start going up. You know what's really fun? 3-meter sheet lift by yourself. Did it yesterday, hopefully you'll be able to get it done again. So you know how these ones go? You glue and you stick it on. No test fit. Don't get that luxury. Glue everything up to 3 meters. I did it yesterday. It's the same height as that sheet on the other side, so I know where to glue to. Then I've got to try and stand this up, push the scaff forward, lift it up, got a little prop, set it on, get a nail in it, get a screw in it, and fasten it off properly. Wish me luck. I need to get this wall finished because I've got to get this scaff down. Painting is like my least favorite job. That's Lucy's forte, but she's not here. So we've got this nib wall that we've built for TV unit over there, potential fireplace in here, range should to go up there, oven to go back. And what I've done, I've lined this in 6mm cement sheet. So a bit of a mission to get those huge 3-meter sheets all the way up there, but got it done. Got the scaff in to finish her off. We've gone and patched the joins. So I think they came out quite well. And then yesterday I quickly got a first coat of primer on, and I'll show you what I'm using because we're using this Dulux fine texture paint product. It's like an exterior paint, but you can use it inside as well. We actually used it on the lawn project. We can flash back to that. That was a slightly different version. That was the medium texture, and that actually helped to fill some of the gaps and cracks and stuff in that chimney on the outside of the lawn house. So I've used it once before, but because that was the medium texture, you actually had to apply that with a mitt on your hand because it was quite thick. And this is quite thick as well. I kind of struggled yesterday to get a good even coat with the roller. But what I did is I went around the corners with a brush and over the joins, and you can still see all my patchwork because the grey of the sheet is sort of shining through. I'm gonna go another coat of primer, and then I'm gonna try and get some colour on. I'll show you what we're using and we'll get stuck into it. So I actually flipped her upside down because this stuff is really thick. So yeah, texture primer. I think this is exactly the same primer we used at lawn. And then you top it with a tinted coat. And I don't even know what color we've done. Oh, here we go. Lucy has chosen Sandy Day by Dulux. So it's a texture cover, and this is the fine cover. So it's a light texture finish. All right, and I've got a little bit of a problem because I have to get this living room baby-proof and all back together by Friday. Otis, at the moment, obviously it's not very safe for a baby to be crawling around. Scaffold, holes in the wall, so I've been patching walls. Things finished. I've got to get this wall painted and finished before I can pull the scaff down, and then I can put everything back in its place. So hopefully we can get that done. Coverage is getting better. I can still see different color variations. I can see the gray from the board and the white patches from where I patched and the screw heads. What I should have done is actually use just a plain primer just to get it consistent, get the color exactly the same so there's no show through of patches and gray bits and screw heads. It would have been easy to get that coverage and hide all those different colors first. See how we go. Welcome back.
This is amazing. Okay, sorry. This is amazing.
First thoughts on a semi-finished living room?
First thoughts is I'm very happy to be home. Thank you so much, Jonno. Second thought, it looks exceptional. Like the left side does, right side, that's to be continued. But even that looks better. It's just so good.
It's better than it was. So we got the wall.
Can I put my bags down?
Oh, you can probably put your bags down.
Hang on. Well done, Jonno.
Tomorrow.
It's good to be back. Otis and I have been reunited. We're a family again. We're excited.
Otis and you have been stuck together the whole time.
Oh yeah, we have, but we've been reunited with you and Dusty, with the other boys who's barking at us right now. The fireplace is obviously yet to be done. We're going to have beautiful toppers here, so this is going to finish this wall off nicely. And obviously we haven't even tackled this side yet. That window, that dodgy door is all going to go, as is the loft. I do stand corrected. It is official, the loft is going. But for now, this side of the house is looking really good. We've got a lot more to do.
Pretty happy with the new floors. They make it. They're flat.
So good. The colouring is exceptional. Spotted gum rustic, native squared from Carpet Court. I am beyond happy with how they came out. I love the variation, and you did the best job, Jonno. I'm so proud. I saw all the work you and Freddie did laying these. It was a massive job.
I just need a wash. Been doing a lot of sanding and stuff.
I can do that. I'll go wash the floors. All right. Lots to do. Well done. Yay! I'm proud of you.